So I got some nice monkfish from my man Sol down at Newlyn. I've used Sol for years. His fish quality is exceptional. We've got a nice monkfish tail here to butcher down from complete scratch. Step one is just to remove the skin. Little snip there. Just remove a little bit of skin from the flesh, and we're just going to basically deglove it. Same on the other side, just make sure it's all removed. It is. Beautiful sounds coming from it as I squelch it around. And then it's literally just pull all the way down. In one clean movement and go through the tail here. And that is stage one. Next step is moving these little prongs. There'll be some at the top and there'll be some at the bottom as well. So just using some nice, good strong scissors, we're just going to remove these guys as well. That's the bottom and that's the top. And there'll be a couple up the north end as well here. And they're all off, nicely done. If you were keeping it as a steak, just so you can cut through the bowl, have it as like a tronchon, what you want to do is take all this sinew off, but leave it on the bone. For our recipe, we're just going to take it off the bone of the monkfish. It's like it's got a spine going all the way down here. So taking a nice sharp knife, just want to run a knife all the way down the backbone here. You can hear it kind of bouncing against the knife. And that's how easy that is. Same on the other side. You can actually see the bone here now. It's a lot easier, this one. That's it. Whole bones come out. This makes the best fish stock in the world because it actually has quite a lot of marrow in it. So next step is to take this membrane off here, which we can see, because this stuff will just completely contract and be horrendous texture in your mouth. So what we're going to do is just take our knife, go just into the tail here, not all the way through, and then we're going to run the knife parallel to the board all the way across, and that will get off most of it in the first hit. Some wonderful sounds coming again. Off, nice. There we go. So you see it's starting to look like we're done now. And then I'm just going to remove the rest of the membrane off now. Keeping as much meat on as possible. You can see how the flesh is changing to a nice white colour. And then the bloodline here going all the way across, which is not massive essential, but I like to just get rid of that anyway, because we serve monkfish raw quite a lot. We'll just cure it, like pack it in salt and sugar for a couple of hours and then just slice it and serve it kind of like a sashimi. And for that dish you really want to have it brilliant clean white. You don't want any of these bloodlines caught in that at all. So that's the difference there between one with sinew and one without. So I'm just going to whip that one off again, nice and quickly this time. We used to get a lot of our monkfish from a guy called John Tonkin down in Cadgwith. If you ever see that guy, Cadgwith Cove Crab, little fish shop, he was hilarious. He would just come into the restaurant mid-service with monkfish that he just landed. Like literally as we were serving food to customers, he'd be dripping wet. And we'd have to take it off his hands mid-service and just prep it up there and then. So we got relatively quite quick at it. Done.